And today we're going to be checking out this AI powered smart bird feeder. That's right, this is not only a bird feeder, it has a full HD camera inside and it uses AI to identify the birds for you. How cool is that? On top of it being smart, it is also solar rechargeable, so it's completely independent upon itself. You don't have to plug it up, which is a really cool feature. It's motion activated, it's waterproof, it's got a ton of features. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, see everything that comes inside, and then we're going to actually put it up and see how well it works, how good the photos and videos look from this, so you know exactly what you're buying. All right, so here it is. I'm going to pull the box off the table here so I can offload everything. You're going to get your user manual. Here's a little mystery box. We love mystery boxes. These are some mounting straps, some knobs, and another strap. Here is a mountable base. Here is a mountable ledge. You could screw this to a post and mount your birdhouse on here. Then here's the solar panel with a USB-C type plug on it. Here's the perch that mounts on the front of the birdhouse. Here's the actual birdhouse itself. It's hard for me to even get it on camera. You can see that this is the camera. This is where the perch mounts up here. Your food goes in here. It's got a roof on it to keep the bird feed dry. And in the back is where you have your solar panel hookup and your antenna hookup. And you do get an antenna as well. That's just going to screw onto the back here, because this will transmit the photos and videos over to your app on your phone. It's also a motion activated camera, so it doesn't record all the time. It just records when the birds actually land in it. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and assemble this and get it ready for mounting, and then I'm going to go put it outside and give it a day or so for the birds to find it, and then we're going to share some images from it as well. So let's go ahead and get this assembled. Here's the little perch. We're just going to snap that on. And now to actually put bird food in this, you just flip the back up right here, and here's your bird food chamber. You just dump your bird feed in right there, then you just snap that back down. You do have a little ring at the top here, so you could hang it from a tree if you wanted to. Like I said, they give you several mounting options. If you look on the bottom here, this is where your screw holes are for your different mounting plates. Like if you were mounting it on this bracket right here, you can mount it like so. As far as mounting options go, you do get this cord right here, and this cord has a hook on both sides, and that's so you can hook it to the top and hang it if you want to. So if you want to hang it from a tree, a swing set, or some other way, you can use this cord to do that. If you don't want to do that, then you have this mountable bracket. You can screw it to a post or a fence. If you don't want to put screw holes in anything, then that's what this strap is for. You could actually put this strap around a tree. It'll go through the slots in this bracket right here, and you can just attach it to the tree or to the post with the strap. That way you're not putting any holes in the fence post, in the tree, or anything like that. Here's your little knob right here that would go up underneath, so you can screw it in, holding the birdhouse in place. And then this is your mount for your solar panel. You just screw this on your solar panel and mount it in sun. That way it keeps your birdhouse charged up for you. And then you have a little cord on here. It looks to be about a 6-foot cord. We're going to find out how long it is. Yep, 6 foot long. So it gives you some versatility as to how close the panel has to be to the birdhouse. It don't have to be attached to it. You can mount this off down the fence in a sunnier spot if you want to keep this in the shade. It's just got to be within 6 feet. Pretty easy to put together. Nothing too difficult about it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this outside. I'm going to set it up, and then we're going to take a look at it and see how I set it up, and then share some of the pictures and videos. All right, so I have my bird feeder fully installed. You can see I got the bird feed in. It's coming out in a little tray. I got the camera set up and on. I have it connected to the app so I can monitor it anytime I want. The antenna is on in the back, and then I have the solar panel on this post right here, so it'll charge most of the day anyway. In the evening the sun goes behind the house, so it doesn't charge. But yep, this is the setup that I chose. I decided to hang it off a pole, and we'll see how it does. It's probably going to take a couple days for the birds to find it and get used to it. But as soon as they do, I'll share the photos and the videos.